This is an optical reflection drawing board. It helps you sketch out images. A lot of vendors have these for sale on Amazon and eBay, and they all seem to be the same product. The base has 3 triangular pieces, 2 rectangular pieces, and the reflecting board. There is a difference as far as the board size. I've seen them anywhere from 7 inches to 10 inches. This one's a little over 9 inches. To set up the base to use your phone or a small photograph, you would create the base. Take one of the rectangular pieces, and you see these grooves, and then there's slots on this piece. You're just going to slide this in, and you want to hear it snap. So I'm sliding these in into the bottom groove. And then I'm just going to slide this one in at the top. Again, make sure you hear it snap. So now your phone is going to sit right here. Now, if you're going to use a larger tablet, you want to construct the base a little differently. Slide this in here. And now skip the middle one. Slide this one in on the end. And now, on this third one, slide this one in on the top groove here. And of course, always make sure you hear that snap there. And now, the top one, and your tablet will fit right there. The reflection pane has a coating on both sides. I'm just going to use tape to peel it off. Yours may have tabs. This one doesn't have tabs, so I'm just using some painter's tape. Yeah, see, I'm just pulling that off. And depending on the orientation of your image, you would put this right like that, or right like that. You could put it either way. Note that I've tacked my paper down with painter's tape. You don't want it to wiggle while you're tracing. Also, I put the device on some non-slip material. We're going to compare the difference in the reflections when using an image on paper or on a device. So let me zoom in. So when using paper, it helps if you turn up the lights in your room. So note the difference between now and now. That does help a little bit. And if you still can't get an accurate image, I would take a picture of it with my device and just use my device. Now let's see with a phone. Ensure your device's screen brightness is up all the way. And if you need to, turn down the light in your room. And you see that made a big difference. Now, as far as the image size, if you need a bigger image, use a bigger device. I mean, sometimes you can zoom in a little bit. I have the same image on a tablet, and of course the image is a lot larger. Note that you have to look through the pane and draw the image on the other side. A lot of the ads show someone looking at the image on this side of the pane, and that's not going to work. There is absolutely nothing on the paper. You only see the reflected image when looking through this pane. And now you look through the pane and you trace the image. And it's a lot clearer if you get directly behind the pane, not to the side. So if you have any distortion, look over the center of your device, and then you would just trace this. And I don't have the steadiest of hand, but you'll get the idea. If your picture is real detailed, sometimes you just want to sketch the outline so you know where things are placed. And there's a sketch of my image. So as a follow-up, I'll put the tips on the screen, and I hope this was very helpful. Thank you.